The Shelf Elf by Jackie Mims Hopkins. Pictures by Rebecca Thurnberg. The Shelf Elf. By the candlelight, the shoemaker and his wife watched the two little elves dance merrily out of sight. The end. That's from the book, The Elves and the Shoemaker, or from the famous folk tale by that name. Did you ever wonder what became of those elves after they left the shoemaker's shop? I can tell you, because I am one of them. My name is Scoob, and the other elf was Skeeter. Skeeter went up north to work with his cousin, a toy maker, and I danced right off the page and into this library. Now that I live in the library, I have a new job. I'm a shelf elf. I take care of the books and the library shelves. Stacks, also known as the Grand Dewey Daddy Shelf Elf, gave me a book with helpful tips on library manners and book care. The Shelf Elf's Guide to Library Etiquette. Oh, etiquette. What a fancy vocabulary word. Stacks told me about a special award that is given to shelf elves. It is called the Golden Shelf Elf Award. I am trying to earn it by taking good care of books and keeping the shelves straight. He also told me that the library has to have girls and boys with nice library manners. Some of the things he told me to look for are children who use shelf markers, quiet voices, and walking feet. Maybe you can help me win the Golden Shelf Elf Award, and we can share it. One of the tools I use in my new job is a shelf marker. Let's look in my book to find out more about using shelf markers.
Use a shelf marker. You can't go wrong. Put books back where they belong.
The shelf marker holds my place on the shelf while I decide if I want to check the book out. If I don't want the book, the shelf marker shows me where the book belongs. Come on, let's find a book to check out. X marks the spot. Shelf markers, take one. Look at these shelves. Can you find the 3 books that weren't put back on the shelves correctly? I'll give you a hint. Books should be standing tall on the shelf with their spines showing. That way, everyone can read the titles and see the call numbers at the bottom of the spines. 3 books are not shelved correctly. Can you guess? 1, 2, 3. This one looks interesting. I would like to keep it for a long time. I wonder if it would be okay to check it out for a whole year. Let's see what my Shelf Elf's Guide says about this.
Return your books when they are due, so others can Oopsie-daisy. So others can enjoy them too. Once more, that's return your books when they are due, so others can enjoy them too.
Keeping a book for a year wouldn't be fair. Everyone should return books on time so others can check them out. This book is making me hungry. I think I'll eat a little snack and have some juice while I read it. Before I get my snack, I better find out if there was a rule about eating and drinking while reading a book.
Keep your books clean and neat, away from all you drink and eat. That's keep your books clean and neat, away from all you drink and eat.
Everyone should have clean hands when they look at books. Food could stain the pages, and if the juice spills, it would make the pages wet. Remember to keep books away from anything wet. Look, the corner of this book is bent down. Someone must have been marking the place before finishing the book. I think I remember reading something about this in my guidebook. It's called dog earing. A bookmark should be used to save your place.
If you need to save your place, stick a bookmark in that space. That's if you need to save your place, stick a bookmark in that space.
If you don't have a bookmark, just put a piece of paper between the pages where you stopped reading. This page is torn. Someone must have turned the page too quickly. It was probably an accident, but we have to remember to turn the page carefully. Turn the pages carefully.
Turn the pages with great care. Leave them whole without a tear. That's turn the pages with great care. Leave them whole without a tear.
From top to bottom, turn them that way. Oh no! This page has been scribbled and chewed on. This book wasn't kept in a safe place. A baby sister or brother may have colored on the pages. It's important to keep books in a place where younger children and pets can't get them.
Keep books safe, out of view, from little ones and dogs that chew. Keep books safe and out of view from little ones and dogs that chew.
The librarian, Ms. Page Turner, needs to know about the problems in this book. Sometimes she and Stax can repair the books. I'll put it in the book hospital box, and maybe they will teach me how to repair books too. The book hospital. Thank you for helping me today. With helpful girls and boys like you, we will surely earn the Golden Shelf Elf Award someday. It's time to say goodbye, but please remember to whisper in your quiet library voice. Loud noises hurt my tiny ears.
When in the library, make this choice. Always use your quiet voice.
Remember your friend Scoob whenever you visit the library. You may not see him, but you can be sure the shelf elf is around somewhere and working hard to get that award. And there's the Golden Shelf Elf Award. Please do your best to keep those shelves nice and neat, and you might find yourself earning the Golden Shelf Elf Award. The end. Oh, the library is filled with amazing things. Books! In books you can find science, history, adventure, mystery, magic, and fun. There are some amazing things in this book, too. See if you can find. From an alien spaceship to windows and doors. Lots. And now, the end. Thank you, Penworthy, for your pre-bound library books. And thanks for listening.